Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use proximity prompts. So you can use proximity prompts to do pretty much whatever you want. Basically like a click detector but different. So I'll just show you how to customize them really fast. So this keyboard key code is what button on the keyboard you have to click to activate it. And then the gamepad key code is what button on a controller you have to click to activate it. The exclusivity, one per button, means that only like one proximity prompt per button, like per what button you click, can appear at a time. Max activation distance, I'm not sure if I explained that last one very well. You're going to have to experiment with it yourself. But max activation distance is obviously how far away your player can be to activate it. The hold duration, how long you have to hold to activate it. Object text, it's like it describes what the object is. And the action text describes what action you're performing on it. So let's just, I'm going to show you how to activate it. So let's say script dot parent dot triggered connect function, all that stuff. So that's pretty much it. Has triggered this part. So yeah, that's pretty much how you activate it. That's all. It's really simple. And yeah, I have this coins leader stats up here for later. Which as you can see, this is appearing. So now let's move on to something else a little bit more complicated. Um, let's say we want a coin. Let's get rid of all these. There you go. So we have this. We're gonna get proximity prompt. Let's say 1 second collect coin. So it's not going to do anything yet, obviously. We don't have any scripts. But as you can see, the prompt is there. So let's go and do this scripting. Script dot parent dot triggered connect function player. Alright, so no player dot leader stat dot coins dot value equals player dot leader stats dot coins dot value plus value. Let's make a new variable actually. Sorry, my air conditioner just turned on. Local value equals 10. And now let me go in here. The coins increased by 10. But now we also need to make the disappearing stuff. Like, like whenever you collect it, it'll go into server storage for a second, so you can't, yeah. So, there's the wrong script. Script dot parent dot parent dot parent equals server, oh wait, no, game dot server storage. Wait 1 second. Script dot parent dot parent dot parent is game dot workspace. And then it'll disappear for a second and then come back. Alright, so now I'm gonna do another example. I'm actually taking this one directly from the wiki. and it's you pick a lock to escape jail. So let's build the jail. Doesn't have to look very good. Cast shadow. Then we'll add some of these. That's annoying. Hold on. There we go. And then here is the door. Alright, so I just went off screen and added a barrier so people don't like have thin avatars and like slip past. Now we're gonna add a proximity prompt and a script. So actually let's customize this first. Hold duration 5 seconds. Oop, wait, pick lock. Jail door. Right, so now script dot parent equals wait no. Yeah, no, script cannot type. Script dot parent dot triggered connect function blah blah blah. So now script dot parent dot parent equals game dot server storage. So basically we're making this go away. So we'll have this called door 1. And then we need to duplicate this. We'll call this one door 2. And basically it's going to be the same thing, except it's open. And it's going to start in server storage. What now? Door 1 is supposed to start in here. This should be door 2. And should start in here. There you go. And then script, I don't know, game dot server storage dot door 2 dot parent equals game dot workspace. Now let's test this part really fast. I forgot to anchor everything. Where's the proximity prompt? Right, yeah. Sometimes when you put a proximity prompt in a model, it doesn't work very well. So something you can do to fix that is just add a part, slide it into where the proximity prompt should be. Transparent, set transparent to 1 and can collide to false. And then just have the add the this to the model and add the proximity prompts to that part. Where's the part? Yeah, there you go, that one. Why is it still not appearing? Hold on. Alright, so I went off screen and figured out why it wasn't working. It wasn't working because it was in the model. Like I said, it's not working because it's in the model, which it should be working. Oh yeah, this is the right script. I thought this was the wrong script for a second. Uh, let's let's restart that bit because it's not working well. Door, we have our 5 bars, or 4 bars, and our block. So basically, game dot workspace dot door 1 dot parent. There we go. So we fix it. It works now. Hopefully. It was just being weird because it's in a model, but it should work anyway. There we go. And then we're also gonna have to say, we're also gonna have to put that in server storage too, because we can't have that sitting there, or else it'll be weird. There we go, and then that also disappears. Now we say, game dot workspace. This needs to be called something different. Door 1 procs. Alright. Game dot works no dot server storage dot door 2 dot parent equals game dot server no dot workspace. And in here we need another part. Now, we also need to customize, it for door 2, because the models don't want to work right now. Huh? Oh. Alt. Can't I rotate it? We're just going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to put it in here. Like that. Can collide, false, transparency, 1, and then, of course, just put it, like, outside. Let's put it back into server storage, and call it door 2 procs. So, that way we can pull that part specifically. So we're gonna have to customize this one. Close and lock. And let's put that back in here. Put the proximity prompt back in there. And I'll go off screen to fix this because actually no, I won't. So script dot parent game dot server storage game dot workspace dot door 2, because this is door 2, like it's not in the workspace yet, but by the time we're able to activate this, it will be in the workspace. So game dot workspace dot door 2 dot parent equals server storage equals game dot server storage script dot parent equals game dot server storage, and then game dot server server storage dot door 1 dot parent equals game dot server dot workspace game dot server storage dot door 1 procs dot parent equals game dot workspace. So that's the script for door 2. Now for door 1, we're going to say game.serverstorage.door2.parent equals game.workspace. Game.serverstorage.door2, or no, .door2 procs.parent equals game.workspace. Now let's test this. There we go. Forgot to anchor that, of course. Pick the lock. It opens. We close the door. We're gonna have to change that. It should take 5 seconds to close the door. 0.5. There we go. Then we can do that again to open it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't clear on a lot of things, but I hope you guys can experiment and figure it out. So, yeah, bye.